What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. So first things first, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell also, so that way you are updated every single time I drop a video. Now, you don't want to miss out on this information because the information you learn now will definitely help you in your investing journey. So make sure y'all got this content on notifications all. So let's get into this, y'all. We got some information regarding Shiba Inu's PuppyNet wallet addresses. So right now, it appears it has surpassed 15 million wallets. We know about half of those wallets were created by the team, but what does that other half of those wallets tell us? This lets us know that people are highly interested in developing on Shibarium. Now, I'm excited about this because one of these projects could be the next big thing that we need to see the burn rate skyrocket. It's going to have to come through the development of one of these projects building something that is so valuable, such a utility to the space that people are forced to want to use it. Something like, a uniswap. So, because remember, with Shibarium, you're not only able to build cryptocurrencies on top of it, you could build decentralized applications as well. So if someone creates something that's so useful where everybody, think about if the next OpenSea or Uniswap is created on top of Shibarium, how many transactions that would be. That would be something that, would be astronomical. And then think about if we have several of those different types of development. So that's why it's important, and I'm bullish on seeing so many people, sign up to be able to use the PuppyNet to be able to test out these different developments. That tells me the future for Shiba Inu is strong, and that the team, when they thought of this utility, they were thinking in the right place. So Shibarium's native testnet, PuppyNet, has recently created new records. Towards the end of Q1, the test network processed more than 1 million transactions with the assistance of more than 200K unique wallets. The statistic has ballooned up already. According to press time data from PuppyScan shib.io, the total transactions has crossed the 10 million benchmark. While the wallet addresses have surpassed the 15 million threshold, specifically, they reflected values of 10.6 million and 15.89 million on Monday, May 22nd. Furthermore, the average block time of the time taken to create a new block stood at 7.4 seconds. At press time, the PuppyNet has a total of 933.8K blocks. And then we got roughly 11 to 70 transactions have been taking place on every block. Blocks are data structures or information containers of a blockchain. Over here, transaction-related data are permanently recorded. So we can see an example of this block here, different transaction information, and then the macro picture. On the mainnet, however, the activity stats have been on a downtrend. Over the past week, the number of new addresses joining the Shiba Inu network has dropped by 8%, while the number of active addresses has dropped by more than 15%. To put things into perspective, an address is considered active when it becomes a direct participant in a successful transaction. And new addresses, on the other hand, gauge the number of fresh entrants into the ecosystem. Over the past day, only 877 new participants were welcomed into the Shiba Inu ecosystem, while the number of active addresses stood only at 2.65K. Thus, the ongoing malnourished downtrend isn't encouraging at the moment. SHIB's price has been on a downtrend for quite some time now. On the daily chart, it is consolidating at a lower end of a downtrend, indicating that demand for SHIB is weakening. Usually this is a bearish pattern, and whenever the price breaks below the lower support, it suggests that the downward trend will likely continue. So how SHIB has managed to establish the base as a strong support, and has been attempting to climb above the downtrend line. If such a breakout indeed transpires, then the tables could turn in favor of the bulls going forward. At press time, SHIB was trading in the green at that A54 level, up 0.2% on the daily. So you see we got this triangle forming right here. Usually when we see the support level respected like this, that tells us that the sellers are trying to push the price down further, but buyers won't allow it to happen. Why? Because buyers find it valuable at that level. They're willing to continue to buy it up at that price, which establishes a support. Usually when we see a strong support being held, eventually that can consolidate for a while, and as it moves closer to the right side of this triangle that we see forming here, it could lead to a breakout. Usually consolidation means the market is in agreement with the price, but indecisive of which way it should go next. But usually when we see that support being held, that shows that the buyers are eating it up at that level. So sellers will have a hard time selling it past that point. And as sellers run out of Shiba Inu to sell, buyers will gain control and push the price even further. So that's all we got for this video right now. Shiba Inu was up 5% last we checked, but I want y'all to be able to get this information for yourselves. I want y'all to check out my stock options trading course. Now I have just bundled all three of my courses together. You can get that course teaching you how to trade options in the stock market Monday through Friday. So now you'll have another source of income outside of crypto investing. Also, I got my technical analysis course. So you can use this course to help you with stock options trading as well as crypto investing, because now you'll understand how to interpret this information you see on the chart. If you look at the candles and these different things, you don't know what they mean, the indicators, all these different things, you don't know how to use them to become a better informed investor, then you definitely want to grab this course. And then on top of that, last but not least, I got the Crypto 101 course, which is the ABCs 1, 2, 3s of crypto investing. So if you're somebody who needs that as well, this is the perfect bundle to package up and grab. Right now, you can reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, to grab this. Best price you will ever been able to receive on it, and they're all bundled together. And then on top of this, I have my meme coin course coming soon. Right now, you can pre-order it to get the best available price. Email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. You don't want to miss this. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are